Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious waffles. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. While you're doing that, preheat your waffle iron and lightly grease the plates. Now let's create our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: the flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, combine the 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and half a cup of melted butter. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. Avoid overmixing for fluffy waffles. It's time for the waffle iron magic. Once your iron is hot and lightly greased, pour about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of batter onto the center of the bottom plate. Close the lid and let it cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. Be sure to use a non-metal utensil to carefully remove your perfectly cooked waffle. Your delicious waffles are ready. For the best experience, serve them immediately while they are warm and crispy. Now comes the fun part: toppings. Drizzle with maple syrup, add fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries, or a dollop of whipped cream. A light dusting of powdered sugar also adds a lovely touch. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly golden waffles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.